The midnight rescue on a quiet night in the small town of Willowbrook, 12-year-old Emily couldn't sleep. Something about the old lighthouse, long abandoned, had her curious. She had overheard her parents talk about strange noises near the shore, and with a sudden burst of courage, she decided to investigate. Grabbing her flashlight, Emily snuck out and made her way toward the towering lighthouse on the outskirts of town. As she approached, she noticed a faint glow at the top. Who could be up there? The door was slightly open, and she stepped inside, her heart pounding. Climbing the creaky spiral staircase, the light above grew stronger. At the top, Emily was shocked to see an elderly woman holding a glowing lantern. The woman was not scary but kind, with gentle eyes. "I've been waiting for someone like you," the woman said, explaining that the lighthouse once guided ships safely to shore. "The town has forgotten, but its light must shine again. You have the courage to restore it." Hesitant but determined, Emily took the lantern and climbed the final ladder to place it in its rightful spot. As soon as she did, the light burst forth, illuminating the dark sea. A boat struggling in the distance found its way safely to shore, thanks to the light. When Emily climbed back down, the woman had disappeared. The next morning, the townspeople were amazed to see the lighthouse glowing once again, though no one could explain how. Emily smiled, knowing the truth, but keeping the adventure to herself. The lighthouse would remain a beacon of hope for Willowbrook, and Emily had discovered the power of her own bravery.